2 days ago, the worst nightmare of every software engineer came true. Cursor, the AI coding IDE, just leveled up again. And this time, it doesn't just autocomplete your code. It understands your project better than your manager does. OpenAI and Cursor just dropped a bombshell at their latest talk introducing a new era called context engineering, which is basically prompt engineering, but with a PhD, a caffeine addiction, and the ability to refactor your entire codebase at 3 a.m. The OpenAI Day conference honestly felt less like a tech conference and more like a festival for vibe coders. See, normal AI coding assistants are like interns. They forget everything you told them 5 minutes ago, break half your files, and still ask for feedback like, "Did I do good?" Cursor said, "Hold my context window." Now it can read your repo, understand your codebase, and plan tasks like a senior dev who actually documents things. They call it autonomous agents. But let's be honest, it's just ChatGPT with ADHD meds and Git access. Context. Engineering is all about feeding the model just the right info. Not every file, not every line, just the juicy bits that matter. It's like giving your AI a healthy diet. No more binging on your entire node modules folder. Cursor's new semantic search is wild. You can literally ask, "Where do we handle user auth?" and it'll teleport you to the right function. In short, you ask in plain language. The system turns your question into a meaning. It compares that with stored meanings of code chunks. It returns the code that is semantically, meaningfully, close to your intent. These agents don't just code, they plan. They make a to-do list, remember it, and actually finish tasks in order, which is already 3 levels higher than my productivity on a Monday. Then there's Bugbot, an AI that hunts bugs for you. Oh, and by the way, Bugbot isn't free. It's got its own pricing plan because apparently even AI bugs have subscription models now. You can now set custom rules like always use Tailwind, never touch my CSS. Commit messages must include Jira Ticket ID or else. Finally, a dev tool that enforces standards better than your lead. But here's where it gets spicy. They're building multi-agent systems, multiple AIs working together like a dream team. One writing code, one testing, one judging silently like Stack Overflow. Michael from Cursor wrapped it perfectly. Our goal is to automate coding. Half model problem, half human-computer interaction. They're building a future where AI handles your boring tasks overnight, so you wake up to perfect pull requests and existential dread about your job security. Cursor isn't replacing developers, it's upgrading them. Soon your repo will have more AI contributors than humans. But hey, at least the AI doesn't push broken code on Fridays. Welcome to the era of context engineering, where your IDE doesn't just autocomplete your code, it autocompletes your career. Subscribe for more high-intensity code tutorials, tech news, and existential panic.